Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a complete wash day routine, well, Journey's routine, because you know, Maya's routine is a little bit different. I'm gonna be using the Taliah Waajid products again because I just really love the products, and yeah, I just don't typically buy anything new until I reuse what I've already bought. So you'll be seeing these products a lot in probably the next 5 or 6 videos. But anyway, I'm gonna start by washing her hair with the Very Clean 3-in-1 shampoo. This shampoo smells really good and it feels really moisturizing. It doesn't strip her hair at all. That's what I really love about the shampoo. After I shampoo her hair, I'm going to use the ORS Girls Nourishing conditioner. I did not see a conditioner from the Taliah Waajid brand at my beauty supply, so that's why I'm using the ORS Girls. It smells great. It's a good product too. I leave the conditioner on her hair probably about 15 to 20 minutes, and I kind of go through her hair, get out all the knots. I take my time with this because I don't want to, you know, pull her hair out. So I just kind of go through, finger detangle. I don't use a comb here because, you know, she'll start acting crazy if she sees the comb. So I just kind of finger detangle, feel for any knots, and then I'm going to rinse it out. So here I am trying my very best to show you how to do a flat twist. It's really simple, y'all. This child, she moves so much. She keeps moving out of frame. I'm so sorry. Hopefully you can see enough to see what I'm doing. All I'm doing is I take a small piece from the front of the section. I do a simple 2-strand twist, and I just keep taking hair from behind and twisting it around. That is it. The more you do it, the better you'll get at it. But it is really simple. Once you get it, you got it. So here's how I ended up doing it. 8 braids across the top. I kind of went kind of at an angle on some of them, but you can do them straight back, you can do them zigzag, just whatever. I've even done this style and not even done flat twists in the front, just did a puff on the top and it was still cute. But this is what I ended up doing. Now I'm going to pull all the strands together and just do a little bun. And I'm just going to kind of loosely twist the hair around, and you can secure this with a band or a rubber band. For the back, I am doing individual twists, and you will see as I go, to make it a little more neat, I'm actually twisting in a downward motion. So it's kind of like a, I guess a short flat twist in the back, just to keep the hair together more, and to keep the style longer. So it's like a little flat twist. If you want a more polished look, you can always do little ponytails with rubber bands, or you know, whatever you choose, but I'm gonna leave these loose just to kind of give her scalp a break from would take care of this at night. I basically put a scarf around like her edges to get the front part to lay flat. And this is nothing special. This is actually one of those do-rags, and I just have it folded in half. That's it, y'all. I just bought one of them $2 do-rags from the beauty supply. And I'm gonna wrap it around the perimeter of her head, and then I'm gonna cover her hair with her satin lined bonnet. So it's cotton on the outside, but it's actually satin lined on the inside. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. And to all of my current subscribers, make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified. I have a giveaway coming up soon, and I promise you're gonna like it. I'm so excited about this giveaway. It's taking everything in me not to tell you what I'm gonna be giving y'all, but you're gonna like it. So make sure you guys are subscribed so that you can all participate in the giveaway. All right, guys, until next time, peace.